In this video I will show you how to convert exe file into Python file and create fully working executable file by Python script. Like in this example. Look, we have Python file and if we run it, then we'll create exe file. Let's check this exe file. It's working. And it could be everything from backdoor by virus to backshell. But how it's work? This script will create another Python script with exe file inside. From sys we import only that we need. Here we are checking argument. Any executable file can be argument in this case. It's working also on Linux. Here we are reading file into memory in the same way like in my Python virus example. Here we are printing new Python file name with exe file inside. Opening file and writing exe file array into it. Here we are converting whole file into byte array and writing it into new file. New line with tabs every 16 chars to get it looks nicely. Closing our array. Here is the rest of new Python file. Then closing file. We will back to this new code soon. Now we need exe file to test it. I decided to this simple hello world in assembly. And this simple hello world written in C, which be much larger than assembly one. Let's compile this file and check. It works. Let's convert it to Python. Everything is fine. Second one in C, also simple hello world. Let's compile this and check. It works. Like you see, size is much bigger than previous. Now let's convert it into Python. Everything is fine. Let's see first file with assembly hello world inside. Like you see, here is comment with original file name before conversion. This script create exe file with a little bit different file name. Here is our exe file saved as a byte array. Let's see rest of the file. Here we are creating new exe file with name in this format, py plus original file name, to show that this file was created by Python file and avoid overwrite original exe in the same directory. File must be open in write binary mode. In this one line, we are writing whole exe file into new exe file. Here we are closing new file and giving info about creating new file. Same situation with second file. Like you can notice, this file is much bigger than previous and has thousands of lines of code. That's why you should use only assembly files to convert. Let's see rest of file. New file name, writing file into it and closing. Now it's time to see if this really works. So first, assembly hello world. Script created new file. Let's check it. It's work perfectly. Now, second file, a C version of our hello world. Let's run it. New file has been created and it works perfectly fine. So, that's how you convert exe file into Python script. Thanks for watching, stay safe and always pay attention to file extension.